hopefully somebody will get the win right here and make everybody's job easier, and for the fans and everybody at home listening.
Yeah, that was so tough, Bert. You had to feel for their team.
Oh gosh, yeah, especially Victor. You see Victor Kaznowski and how much effort and time that he's put in with, kind of mentoring and helping Erica get out there and get going, and see the win light come on and they don't get the win.
Here comes number 4.
Great run. I mean, just being able to make that many good runs on race day in a row and get the wins on top of it. 3 in a row with the funny car, and end up having the best car within the camp that's obviously very strong in its own.
Well, you got 2 Team Force cars, a Team Schumacher car, and one of the Petra guys. You got Lee Beard out there who's worked with literally almost a dozen drivers and taken them all to national event wins and some championships and hooked up every very interesting pairing at the start of the year. Who's Petra guy and Lee? Both very high profile, and they both seem to settle in very well.
It's interesting because they both really started their funny car careers together. In 1993, Cruz Petragon wins the championship, and Lee was managing the team at the time. So, and here they are, almost 20 years later, getting back together.
All right, so you got the Snap-on Tools machine with Wake Fillers. You got John Forster, Capital GTX High Mileage